Hi, my name's Ben. In this short but informative video, I'm going to show you our new mobile experience platform. Basically, the ability to do what you normally do in the MobiFirst platform on your desktop, but the ability to do it on your smartphone. In addition to that, I'm going to show you our digital business card widget. And I think the best way to demonstrate this to you is to run through how you would create a digital business card right on your smartphone. But before we do that, let me just show you the main page here. You have the typical mobile and desktop sites button, progressive web apps button, and any of the other modules that you may have enabled in your platform. So let's go back up to the top, because this is where you'll find these two new buttons. The first one is the Create Digital Business Card button. What that does is it launches you right into our Digital Business Card Premium template. So I'll click on that right now. And here you go. This takes you to the first step in creating a digital business card. And what you're seeing here is a preview of our premium digital business card. Give you an idea, this gives you an idea what your business card will look like when you get finished. As soon as you replace, the images and content with your own with your own client information, or if it's for yourself. And all you would need to do to get started is just click the green button, and it launches you right into the page, which you can then start entering your information right into the digital business card widget. So let's take a step back, click the back button. I'll click on the home button up on the top. The second button here is launch a website in record time. And that's that second button. And basically what that does is it bypasses a lot of the steps if you were to create a new website in the usual fashion, which is usually clicking on this third button here, mobile and desktop sites. So let me show you what happens. I'll click on the second button. This literally bypasses about 7 clicks. You just click that, boom, you're right at the templates. You just click the template you want, and you're already creating the website. We have AI too, so you can use AI with AI templates, and it'll add the content and images for you. So let's go back one step to mobile and desktop sites. Because I want to show you the nice layout we have here. Whoops, I clicked on one. Okay. So let me click on mobile and desktop sites. And when we scroll through here, you'll see all the websites you have already built in your account. You can see that the sites are very easy to read. No stressing of the eyes here, and nice big buttons. So easy to just touch the button and start editing. So let me go to the demo digital business card I created earlier for this demonstration. I'll click Edit. It's a Realtor business card. Something I just created right for this demo. Okay, and we're in there now. And this is basically where that first button would have taken you. The one I clicked on earlier, which was Create a Digital Business Card. It would take you to this page. If you scroll down, you'll see the home page. For clients that create a digital business card, instead of calling this home, I've actually named it Start Here. That way, people who aren't savvy with web design can see that it's obvious that you got to click there. So I click there. That takes us into the page where the widgets are. And there's the digital business card widget right there. We call it the Biz Card. So I'm going to click on that. And here we go. These are the typical tabs that are up on the top that you normally see on desktop. But what we need here is the digital business card sections. And we have header, buttons, main content, social links, QR code, and V-card. So when you do click that Create a New Digital Business Card button, and you're taken to the template, you eventually wind up here where you click on header. And this is where you enter a header image. I've already done that. You can either upload an image by browsing. When you do click browse on your smartphone, you're also given the option to take a selfie. You know what that means. If you're out on the road, mobile, and you want to create a digital business card for someone that you meet, you could actually click the browse button, take a selfie of them, and it uploads it right here. Of course, we got our media gallery, media library if you've already uploaded images, and we've got the commercial royalty-free media library if you just want to search for an image to use. And as we scroll down, you see the background image I've already selected. Since this was a realtor digital business card I'm creating, I chose a house for the background. So let's scroll down. Here's where you would enter name and title, subtitle. And by the way, let's go back up here because I want to show you this green button that we've added. It's called the preview site button. So you've probably asked yourself, well, how do I know how my business card's coming out? Well, as you build the digital business card, you click the green preview site button, and there you go. So you can always just click that button and see how it's coming along. So let me go back, scroll down. In the button section, I'll click that. By the way, when you click a section, it closes the previous section. So it keeps it nice and neat. So if I was to close them all, very simple looking page. So let's open the buttons back up because I want to show you the buttons. I'll click edit here on one of these buttons. And you could select the type of button that you want. So in this field, for example, I'll click that. And this is the type of button that you can have. You can have a button that links to an external website. You can have a button that includes text and a modal slides out when people click the button and shows the text, the content that you've added there. The third option is that you can show a video in the pop-up, which is a slider, a modal. You can make the button send an email to a predetermined email address. You can create a button that starts a phone call. You can create a button that sends a text message. You just put whatever phone number you want in there, and that's where that goes to. And you can see here how we've made the fields nice, big, easy to read. So it's a really nice experience on your smartphone. You don't need one of those giant smartphones. You know, it works good, you know, with typical smartphone. So let's go back. Actually swiped twice by mistake. Okay. Let's close the buttons. Main content. This is the About Me section. Subtitle. And a What You See Is What You Get content editor. This is where you would change the About Me information. And again, if we were to change something there, just click here and you'd see your changes right in here. Let's go back. Scroll back down. Here's the logo image that we've uploaded. Again. Oops, I hit the back button by mistake. Good. Let's go back in there. I did that by mistake. Let's go back up. Preview. There's the logo. Back. There's the logo. You can add videos with the video frame or just the URL. You can add buttons besides the round buttons. Let's go back and I'll show you what I mean. It's this button right here that says example button. And the social media buttons that you see there, That's in the social media section, right down. Actually, let's close this section. And now we'll click social links. And there's those social link buttons that you were looking at. So you add your social link information here. Let's close that. QR code and V card. Basically, the QR code, V card, and all the other sections has a toggle switch where you can hide this section or show this section right here. So basically, you can turn off any of these sections so that they do not appear if you don't want them on your digital business card. Now, in case you're not familiar with what a V card is, this is where you originally add all your information in here. And then when somebody gets a hold of your digital business card, they click the V card button, which will be at the bottom of your screen, and it merges all your data into the contacts list of their phone. So that's it. Pretty much you just edit all these fields, and you wind up with something that looks like this. And our premium templates have different themes, like a black theme, a blue theme, different buttons. So consider getting all our themes, or templates rather. Okay. And if we go back, of course, we've got the progressive web apps, which means for sites that you've converted into progressive web apps, you click on push notifications, scroll to the bottom, click on create a new push notification. That's right, you can send push notifications to your subscribers right here. And you can even convert your sites or digital business cards into progressive web apps. And something everyone always overlooks, one last thing I want to show you. We'll get back to the one we were at before. Edit. Don't forget that a digital business card that's turned into a PWA, not that it has to be, we have the icons bar. Those are icons at the bottom of the screen, which I didn't enable on the digital business card that you just saw, but this is also another option that you can have that makes it really handy to have buttons at the bottom of this the page on the digital business card that people can click on for different ways to connect with you. You know, things like WhatsApp, Skype, text message, your phone number, Facebook Messenger, those types of ways to contact you just by clicking on the icon bar and selecting. And you can also have external links on the icons that are in the icon bar. And that'll do it for now. So hope you purchase it, because it's definitely an awesome new feature we have. The MobiFirst mobile experience platform and the digital business card widget. Thanks for watching.